Recently, I directly philosophize the reason why. You need to listen to Symphony Number 5, composed by Beethoven. Symphony Number 5 gives you an opportunity to face, surely, what you need to live well. You wish to live well. You wish to live better. Otherwise, of course, you wish to do your best to live by the best way. The point is how you obtain the best way to live as a human being. You're breathing every day. Do you have your self-consciousness of this fact substantially? You live every day. You're breathing. Where you are breathing. This is a matter of essential question. Where are you now? Do you surely philosophize where you are now? You are here, on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating. You are breathing through feeding. Gravity. Through feeding gravity, then you have your substantial experience to have your self-consciousness of where you are now. You are here on the surface of one of tiny rocks floating in the solar system in one of innumerable galaxies here in this universe given. It is not the wise idea to fly off upon a tangent. I'd like you to observe your existence very carefully. The wise understand the importance of introspection. I'd like you to go ahead to experience introspection. To live transcendentally is not that easy. To see the truth in this universe, I'd like you to breathe transcendentally. To experience something supernaturally transcends any of local pieces of experience. Nobody knows everything. If you know this matter to some extent, that's enough. Half a loaf is better than no bread. The lecture shall be finished now.